Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then place the cover over the gas lift. Line up your mechanism with the screw holes on the bottom of the seat cushion. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Next, connect your backrest to the bottom of the seat cushion with the included L-bar screws. Next, we will attach the armrest. Start by connecting one armrest to the seat cushion. Then, connect the armrest to your backrest with the included screws. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Connect the backrest plug into the rear seat socket at the bottom of the seat. Connect the power bank to the bottom socket of the chair. Insert the power bank into the pocket sleeve. Use the Velcro strap to secure the cable. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift.